So this video is going to be about Forex trading strategies. You can say Forex trading strategies or Forex trading styles. I think styles would be more appropriate. So there are basically four main types of Forex trading styles. The first one is position trading. Now, position trading, swing trading, day trading, and scalping. Now, position trading is basically a style of trading where you hold your trades for long periods of time, mostly 2 weeks or more. It can be up to a month. Some hold trades up to a year. So that is position trading. It's not really a very common style of trading. Not many people have that patience to hold trades that long. But this is mostly done by hedge funds and by banks, central banks, and those retail traders don't usually trade this style this way. There are some that do, but most don't do like this. So the second type is swing trading. Now, this is a very common style of trading. This is a style where you hold your trades for a couple of days, mostly 2 to 5 days or more. And this is usually done on higher time frames. Now, swing trading and position trading are quite different, but they are almost similar, but they are not the same. Position trading is mainly holding for a longer time, while swing trading is usually 5-6 days or so, right? So that is swing trading, and it's usually done on higher time frames. So when you're trading, you'll see different time frames. You'll see 5-minute time frame, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily time frames. Now, swing trading usually occurs on, they usually trade swing trading on higher time frames like the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frames. Now, day trading. What is day trading? Day trading is a style of trading where you trade and end your trading day when the day ends, usually done on the 15 minutes and a 1 hour time frame. Now, this one is a style of trading where if you open a trade before, you won't hold the trade to the next day. So basically, when the trade hits your target or by the end of the day, you close your trade, right? So that is day trading. You open a trade and close a trade that same day, right? And you usually open maybe 1 or 2 or 3 trades that day per day, right? So the fourth one is scalping, also known as high frequency trading. It's basically opening and closing trades between a short period of time to catch fast movements in price. This is a very popular style of trading where you open and close your trades immediately. Not really immediately, but there's a really short time period between when you open your trade and when you close your trade. And the aim is to catch little fast movements in price, fast price differences, right? So it's a really it's a really stressful style of trading, personally for me, but a lot of people make it work for them. So it's a high frequency trading. Like, you have to be there on the charts. You have to be, your brain has to be sharp, your attention has to be sharp, because you're opening and closing things with high frequency. You can open up to 30 trades in just a span of 1 hour, right? So open and close up to 30 trades in a span of 1 hour, right? So that's basically how the scalping works. So when you're trading and when you're learning to trade, you have different trading styles that you can learn from. You can either learn position trading, which I know most people won't want to learn. You can learn swing trading. This is a good one. You can learn day trading. I prefer day trading. This is the one I do. I can also swing, but I prefer day trading. And then scalping usually happens they usually use the 5 and 1 minute time frame for this one. So every minute a candle closes, and every 5 minutes they are entering and closing trades. So that's basically how, those are the basic strategies or trading styles that people usually use in trading. Those are the popular ones. So